Yo, Stock Money Nation, we back and in full effect. If you left your watch at home, don't worry, because I'm gonna tell you exactly what time it is. Right now is when you get in on how to make some money tomorrow. I'm talking about cashing out ASAP, running to the bank with a smile. You can get paid within 24 hours because I got the hot stocks for you. And when I say hot, I'm talking about 999 degrees plus. I mean like melt your ice cream in 2 seconds hot. I mean solar flare burn a hole in the ozone layer hot. If this is your first time tuning in, you are in for a treat and consider yourself part of the winner circle, baby. You are now a citizen of Stock Money Nation. I'm so excited to have you here, and I'm glad you could grace me with your presence. From the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you for joining me today, and I really mean it. I value your time, and hopefully you can gain some insight from my opinion. So that's a win-win for both of us. If you're unaware of who I am, let me show you that I do have manners. I am Stock Money Asten. My job is to find fantastic stocks at great prices to get in at, and then I want to share them with you. I'm new to this YouTube thing, but I've been winning in the stock market for over a decade. I've made a lot of mistakes, but now I profit from Wall Street daily. I'm very familiar with the disciplines of long-term investing as well as day trading. I know how to dive into the fundamentals as well as look at technical analysis to see what stock is up next. So Monday through Friday, I'm here to put the plays on your radar so you can get in on some of these victories. It's enough to go around, and I want you equipped with what you need to reach financial freedom. Every day we wake up, more opportunities present themselves, and I want you all over them. No matter what kind of trader you are, I believe you can find value from what I bring to the table. So let's feast together so that we can feed our children and grandchildren forever. But before we get started, let me stop and break down how this video is gonna go. First, we're gonna take a look at how the overall market finished today so that we can wrap our head around the bigger picture. Second, I'll go over my stock picks from my last video so we can see how we did and decide if we need to take any further action. And third, I'm gonna give you my heat wave hot stocks for tomorrow so that you can wake up ready, fam. So just sit back, buckle up, and know when there's smoke, there's fire, and I'm coming with the heat. Now, without further ado, let's crank it up. So looking at the overall market, it was down to start off the week. The Dow Jones was down a little bit over 2%. The S&P 500 finished down about 1.5%, and the NASDAQ finished down about 1%. All of the averages started the day off in the red, and they just never really recovered. Now, this is actually our third day down in a row. So if I had to take a guess, I would bet that the market is going to spring back a little bit tomorrow. The market is like a rubber band. When it's pulled so far in one direction, it likes to pop back. If you've been checking out my channel, then you know I was preaching caution when the market was hitting new highs day after day. I said I wouldn't be surprised if a pullback was around the corner, and last week I informed you that the word on the street was a market crash may be coming. Now, it's still too early to tell if this is a crash or just the beginning of a correction, but investors felt the pain today. But no pain, no gain. Today can be characterized as blood in the streets. But as history shows us, days like today are some of the most opportunistic times to put money to work. Now, moving on to my picks from my last video. Up first is Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN. Coinbase was down almost 2% today, or down $4.40 to finish the day at $220.61. The intraday low was $213.22, and the intraday high was $221.89. Now, zooming in on the chart, you can see that Coinbase gave you a great chance to pick up shares early this morning and then cash out later on in the day. I was able to benefit off this one, and I hope you were too. Even though it was still down, it was able to recover a lot more than most stocks. Moving on to another pick was Walgreens Boots Alliance, ticker symbol WBA. This one finished the day down almost 1%, or down 44 cents to finish at $45.58. The intraday low on this one was $45.09, and the intraday high was $46.09. Now, this one pretty much mirrored the major averages today. It was down pretty much from the start, just continued to fall for most of the day, and then barely recovered right at the end. I was picking up shares throughout the day, but unfortunately, I was not able to book in any quick profits. But since it's a great company, I don't mind holding it. And now, looking at my last pick from the previous video was Wynn Resorts, ticker symbol WYNN. Wynn was pretty much flat today. It finished just a little bit in the green, or up 4 cents to finish at $104.74. The intraday low on this one was $100.25, and the intraday high was $105. Looking at this chart, this one gave you a great opportunity to get in on weakness this morning. After about 2 hours of the market being open, this one shot up and you could have made decent money. I cashed out a little bit, but with that said, this stock is still way down from its recent high, so I'll be keeping an eye on it still. And guys, just to give you some insight, this chart pattern on this one was similar to the one of Coinbase. When you have this kind of price action, it works out perfectly for my strategy. You're able to get in early on weakness and cash out later on in the day. That's why you want to be up when the market opens, because as they say, the early bird catches the worm, and you have all day for the strategy to work out. I mean, you definitely want to buy on weakness morning, noon, or evening, but the probability of you cashing out with quick profits in the same day decreases as the day goes on. So the earlier the better, plus quick wins give you opportunities to repeat in the same day, which is always a bonus. But it's a wrap for today, so let's move on to my 3 moneymaker hot stocks for tomorrow. Number 1 is Airbnb, ticker symbol ABNB. Airbnb allows you to book all kinds of living spaces when you want to travel, get out the house, or go on vacation. You can book it from your phone, and you can stay anywhere from a tent in someone's backyard to a mansion out in the hills in Hollywood. Looking at today's chart, Airbnb finished down almost 2%, or down $2.43 to finish the day at $131.88. Over the last couple of months, this stock has been beaten down like it went toe-to-toe with Mike Tyson, and that just continued today. So I'll be looking to pick up some shares on any weakness provided to me tomorrow, and I'll be looking to book some quick cash if I can. Just know with this stock, there is inherent risk. If there is another lockdown coming, or if people just suspect there is one on the way, the knockdown that the price has suffered so far will just be round 1, believe me. So make sure you know what you're getting yourself into. Now moving on to my second pick for tomorrow is Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. Alibaba is the online retail giant in China, plus they own several other businesses. And even though they're already ginormous, this company is still growing. Take a quick look at the financials. Looking at the chart, Alibaba finished down 1.5% today, or down $3.19. to finish the day at $208.91. Now at these levels, this stock is a steal, and if it goes below 200, that's a major deal. So I'll be looking to pick this one up on weakness tomorrow, definitely. I'm still waiting on that turnaround in Chinese stocks, and when that happens, this one will definitely be a benefactor of that. So I'm gonna look to get in where I fit in and hopefully exit ASAP. Fingers crossed. Now my third and final pick for tomorrow is Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM. Qualcomm is a technology company that makes all kinds of products that go in our cell phones, and they are a huge company and they pay dividends. Looking at the chart, Qualcomm was down a little bit over 0.5% today, or down 92 cents to finish the day at $138.79. Now this stock has came down a decent amount from its highs earlier in the year, so I'll definitely be looking to buy in if this one is down tomorrow. Of course, I wanted to jump back instantly if I have a chance to enter this one, but if it does not, that's okay. With 5G just now ramping up, I believe so is this stock. So that's all of my plays to get you paid for tomorrow. So make sure you're up and ready, suited and booted. Get that fear out your heart, and best of luck to you. Now understand that we're playing to win, and every day that you're here, you increase your chances of doing that. So make sure if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you hit that button right now and turn on that notification bell so you can stay up to date with the plays, because you do not want to miss out. Sometimes when I drop my videos, the post market is still open and you can get ahead of the pack. Now if you don't have access to the post market or pre-market, that's something you want to look into. If you check down in the description below, I have a link to Webull. They give you access to extended hours trading, and if you open a new account, you will get at least one free stock when you deposit $5. That's nothing, and who doesn't love free money? Also guys, if you were able to learn something from this video, or you made some money, hit that like button for me. That way YouTube knows I'm on my job and they'll share this video. But don't be afraid to share it yourself. It's more of us out there that need this knowledge, and we need to spread it like a wildfire. And for anybody that was curious, just know I am not a financial advisor, nor do I know the future. Everything I present to you on this channel is meant for educational purposes and just my own opinion. You always want to do your own due diligence, and then based on your research, decide how to spend your money, because only you know what's right for your situation. And we may be on different timelines, so you have to evaluate every stock and trade for yourself. But understand, no matter where you're at, I'm here to help you out. So I want you to always remember that you are beautiful, somebody thinks you're special, and I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.